If you are searching for an all-in-one kitchen multi-cooker that replaces up to 7 appliances while cutting meal prep times by up to 70%, the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 6-quart electric pressure cooker is likely top of mind. As one of the most widely used multi-cookers on the market, understanding how its core settings, 6-quart capacity, and digital safety features operate in day-to-day cooking helps determine if it fits your home. Quick disclosure: the product link in the description is an affiliate link, so I may earn a commission from qualifying purchases if you decide to buy through it. The defining feature of the Instant Pot Duo is its versatile 7-in-1 functionality. Instead of cluttering your counter with separate gadgets, this single appliance functions as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, and food warmer or sterilizer. At its core, high-speed pressure cooking is where it delivers the most value. By trapping steam and raising the internal cooking temperature, it reduces cook times dramatically, allowing you to prepare tender pot roasts, dry beans, hearty stews, and soups in a fraction of the time required by traditional stovetop or oven methods. The 6-quart capacity serves as the ideal sweet spot for most households. It comfortably holds enough food to prepare weeknight dinners for 4 to 6 people, making it equally effective for family meals or batch meal prepping for the week ahead. Inside, it features a durable, food-grade stainless steel inner pot with a tri-ply bottom, ensuring even heat distribution without chemical nonstick coatings. Ease of operation and safety are engineered directly into the unit. The control panel offers intuitive one-touch smart programs for one-button meal prep, while the integrated safety system includes over 10 safety mechanisms, such as overheat protection and a secure lid lock. Furthermore, owners get access to the companion Instant Brands app featuring over 800 step-by-step recipes to help you get inspired. Cleaning after dinner is simple and fast. The inner stainless steel cooking pot, sealing ring, steam rack, and pressure lid are all dishwasher safe, keeping post-meal cleanup low stress. When evaluating who the 6-quart Instant Pot Duo is best suited for, it stands out as an essential kitchen upgrade for busy parents, working professionals, meal preppers, and small families wanting fast one-pot meals. On the other hand, if you cook for massive gatherings or large families of 8 or more, upgrading to an 8-quart model might provide better volume flexibility. Before deciding, consider whether consolidation and faster pressure cooking align with your weekly meal prep goals to confirm if this 6-quart model fits your kitchen workflow. If this matches what you need, you can check current pricing and availability through the product link in the description. If this video helped explain the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 multi-cooker, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more concise product breakdowns. If you have any questions or favorite Instant Pot recipes, leave them in the comments below.